The silent crypto killer, how hidden fees, spreads, and overtrading secretly drain your portfolio, and the exact system to stop the leak. A presentation by the Abraham Cryptoland. The illusion. I bought the wrong crypto. The market moved against me. I entered at the wrong time. The reality. You can be right many times and still lose the battle. The biggest enemy is the market. It's what you never see on a price chart. Identical market conditions rarely produce identical wealth. Starting capital $10,000. Asset identical cryptocurrency. Timeline same entry, same exit. The active trader reacts to every candle, buys, sells, changes mind. The Abraham Cryptoland system investor predetermined entries, predetermined exits. Masters doing nothing. Looking beneath the candlestick reveals the invisible drain. Exchange fees, the cost of entry and exit. Slippage, the penalty for market execution. Spreads, the gap between bid and ask. Overtrading, the multiplier effect on all costs. Every transaction incurs a structural debt. Anatomy of a percent gain. Theoretical profit $500. Buying fee 1% minus $100. Selling fee 1% minus $105. Spread and slippage 1% minus $105. Taxes. Real profit $171. You must recover 2.5% in trading costs before you make a single dollar of real profit. The compounding gravity of friction over 30 trades. Diverging trendline diagram. Start $10,000 without costs plus 5% per trade. $43,219. After costs $21,154 minus $22,065 lost to costs. The investor wasn't wrong. Their market analysis was wrong. The profit simply disappeared into the infrastructure. The behavioral engine driving the math. The illusion. Confusing activity with progress. The trap. Believing more trades equals more opportunities. The reality. More trades equals more fees plus more emotional errors plus more stress. The market does not reward you for being busy. It rewards you for making better decisions. The paradox of action. Sometimes the highest return investment decision is doing absolutely nothing. The forensic profile. Emotion versus. The Abraham Cryptoland system. The emotional trader. Trigger chart, movements, and FOMO. The Abraham Cryptoland systematic investor. Trigger. Pre-planned setups. Frequency. The emotional trader. Constant reaction. The Abraham Cryptoland systematic investor. Calculated patience. Cost burden. The emotional trader. Maximum compounded fees. The Abraham Cryptoland systematic investor. Minimized execution friction. Outcome. The emotional trader. High stress, capital erosion. The Abraham Cryptoland systematic strategy. Capital protection, compounded growth. The pre-trade security protocol. Why am I buying? At exactly what price? How much capital will I allocate? When will I take profits? What will I do if market falls 20%, 30%, or 50%? Without a system and strategy, emotions become your strategy. Wealth requires undisturbed roots. Checking the roots every week, overtrading, panic selling, or trusting the process. Giving it time, consistency, and discipline. Sometimes waiting is not weakness. Waiting is your greatest advantage. Before making your next transaction, ask yourself, am I improving my investment strategy, Or am I simply reacting emotionally to the market? Discipline creates opportunities. Patience protects capital. A system outlasts emotion. Investor mindset. Successful investing isn't about predicting the future, it's about prepared for it. Build your discipline over hype. Subscribe to the Abraham Cryptoland, the investor mindset channel. Watch the essential playlist: Investor mindset, crypto traps, crypto mistakes. Stop leaking capital. Start building wealth.